Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to show you how to buy gift cards using Afterpay, a popular buy now, pay later service. And we believe it's a convenient way to purchase gift cards and manage your payments. But before we dive into all of it, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Right off the bat, buying gift cards using Afterpay can offer you several advantages. All right, both for the person purchasing the gift card and the recipient, right? Because Afterpay will allow you to split the cost of the gift card into four equal installments, making it easier to budget and manage your finances, right? So it's gonna be helpful and useful for all larger gift card purchases because once the first installment is paid, you can use the gift card immediately, even before completing all the installments, right? So there are two ways for you to do that. One is you go here at afterpay.com. You can go to the web browser of your choice. I am using Google Chrome right now, but if you're using other browsers such as Safari, Firefox, Brave, Opera, it's okay. Or on your mobile device, open the Afterpay app, right, and log in using your credentials. So I'm here at the section where they are offering several gift cards for me to choose from. All right, from Kohl's, Ample Cash, Airbnb, PSN, DoorDash. A lot of options for me to choose from right here. Okay, because Afterpay partners has a wide range of retailers and brands. They have so many. There are so many here, really. So you have many options when it comes to choosing gift cards. All right, you can find gift cards for clothing, electronics, beauty products, and more. And the good thing is, Afterpay does not charge interest on your payments, and there are no additional fees if you make payments on time, right? So let's say I'm gonna choose time zone. All right. So it is prompting me to download the Afterpay. All right, and there's an information down here below. For step one is you're gonna choose an amount and who to send your e-gift card to before completing your purchase with Afterpay. That's gonna be the recipient. All right. And basically, number two is when you've made your purchase, you will receive an order confirmation email from Afterpay. And the last one is a second email with your e-gift card will be sent to the recipient's email address. All right. And the chosen gift card supplier. All right. That's how you do it. It's really easy. It's a walk in the park. But if you are lost during the navigation process, I suggest you go here in the help center where it says there's a question here where you can buy gift cards from Afterpay. So I just wanted to read them a little bit here. It's eligible customers have the option to purchase e-gift cards from a variety of leading retailers. All right, so I suggest you read and understand all of this information here. All right, it's also important to note that there are advantages to using Afterpay for gift card purchases, right? But it's essential to use it responsibly, okay? Because failure to make payments on time can result in late fees, and we don't want that because it's important to be aware of your financial obligations and budget accordingly. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.